Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. Now before we start the analysis, if you are new to the channel, then make sure you subscribe, like and share. And I have started something new. It's called consulting service or consultation service, whatever you call it. So this is for those people, I have come across so many, people contacting me on Microsoft Teams here. And, they have issues with their previous trades. Okay, so they're either stuck in the trade or they lost some trades and they need some mentor, they need some guidance, and obviously they can't afford thousands of dollars to pay a mentor. Okay, so my skills are of the same level as well. I could charge you $10,000 for my mentorship, but I think if you want to speak to somebody one to one in person who has this knowledge, I have this consultation service which you can go and book 30 minutes consultation initially. Okay. And if you have any questions in your mind, you can ask me. If you had been in the losing streak, you had been losing all these trades, you want me to review those trades for you, I can do that during that call. Or I can connect with your laptop and remotely, and I can see your chart setup and I can recommend you if anything has to be updated or changed on your chart setup. Okay. So you can go and check out the first link, and then the second link says get my swing setups. In case you want to take my trades, then join the monthly membership here. And I also have the swing trading on automation robot. So this robot does swing trading on automation based on daily chart. It only takes 1 to 2 trades per month, high quality. Okay, and you can always join my free Telegram. So before we start the actual analysis, I wanted to give you all this because yeah, you can go and book one-to-one consultation. As I said, even if you have psychology issues that you can't wait, sometimes it happens you exit out of the trade and then the trade moves into that direction. Okay, it happens very common. Okay, so far if you have been blowing up your account, you have some issues with the patience level, whatever, you want to discuss your previous trades or you want some help as a mentor, then click on the first link below where it says book consultation, check and check brokers, and check out these links too. So once you click on the first link, I'll show you how it looks like and what to do here. So scroll down and it says book one-to-one consultation audio call for 30 minutes, and that's the price here. And after you make the payment, you can email me or you can send me a message on Microsoft Teams directly here. That's Microsoft Teams. So we will connect audio call with you on Microsoft Teams only. And you can discuss everything in, you can have your questions ready and we can talk about all of this in next 30 minutes. Okay, I'm doing this because you know what, by the looks of it, you can know now. If you watch my YouTube videos, I like to talk. Okay, so I do like to talk, and that's why I'm doing this for those people who are actually in need of help. Okay, so for example, let's say you can't pay $10,000 to a mentor right now. Okay, if you can't pay, let's say, thousands of dollars to some mentor, and they probably will not even have my skill. They might have the money. Make money is a different thing, than skill. Somebody might have so much skill but not that kind of money. Somebody might have that kind of money but not skill. Okay, so again, if you can't afford to pay those mentors $10,000, you can always book the short 30 minutes call, because I am doing this not for money. For example, a person like me with my skill can make more money than $97 with my trading. Okay, so I am doing this because I like to talk. So if you go and watch my analysis videos, this person likes to talk when he record the YouTube videos. Okay, and I'm doing this for those people who actually are either stuck in a losing streak or they just need some mental guidance. Okay, so if you want to learn more and you have questions, then book one-to-one consultation. You can check out these brokers here for yourself. Okay, whichever country you're from, these are the brokers. Go and join them and check out the link, subscribe, like and share. And now let's start the analysis finally. All right, GBPUSD analysis today. So let's start the top down approach with weekly time frame. Weekly on this candle, I told you that we will probably take the stop losses this week. So we are going up. Okay, don't be shocked if we go up and by Friday we come down. Okay, right now what's happening, we are taking stop losses. Do you understand? We are taking these stop losses. So smart people would have had their stop losses here, and this candle right now is taking all these stop losses. Liquidity grab is happening while you see this video. This is liquidity grab happening in front of your eyes. Now, two possibilities: this candle will either stay bullish or it will turn out into a wick. Okay, time will tell. We will have to wait and see what happens by Friday. Coming back to daily time frame, in daily we are already exhausted. Okay, there's no need to enter buy right now. Don't chase the price. Okay, we have to wait for the pullback. Coming back 4 hour, in 4 hour again we're exhausted. Okay, so don't chase the price, we're exhausted, no long position, we have to wait until the rejection from the EMA. So either we will continue the uptrend. If we continue the uptrend, then pull back, bullish candle, we go up. But more likely we should have the downtrend for some time when the reversal happens. Okay, so I'm putting my money on trend reversal for next couple of weeks when the pullback starts happening. Okay, if the pullback doesn't start happening, then we can't say anything. But when the pullback will start happening, then we might go down 150 pips or something. We'll see when the time comes. Okay, right now do nothing, no trades right now, wait for the pullback, just observe, because dollar has been messed up. So we just observe, do nothing right now in USD pairs. And if you just want to stress free make 27% income per year, check out the first link below. As we discussed in the beginning, that's stress-free money, no trading on manually, just automation. Go install the EA. And if you want to book consultation, you can contact me, and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care.